A very good afternoon, everybody. We are going to work with daemon thread in Java. Daemon thread is a low priority thread in context of JVM that runs in background to perform tasks such as garbage collection and so on. From the live server, if you wish to send automatic emails after 1 hour or after 2 hours or after 3 hours, so we set a daemon thread which runs in the background and automatically works and performs the given task. The system or the server which we want to perform at the background without human interface are also coming under daemon thread. Daemon thread do not prevent the JVM exiting even if the daemon thread itself is running when all the user threads, non-daemon threads, finish their execution. JVM terminates itself when all user threads, non-daemon threads, finish their execution. JVM does not care whether daemon thread is running or not. If JVM finds running daemon thread upon completion of user thread, it terminates the thread and after that shut down itself. Properties of daemon threads. Let us have a look to the different properties of daemon thread. A newly created thread inherits the daemon status of its parent. That is the reason all threads created inside main method, child threads of main thread are non-daemon by default. Because main thread is non-daemon. However, you can make a user thread to daemon by using setDaemon method of a thread class. Just a quick note on main thread is that when the JVM starts, it creates a thread called main. Your program will run on this thread unless you create additional threads. The first thing the main thread does is to look for your static void main string args method and invoke it. This is the entry point of your program. Now if you create additional threads in the main method, those threads would be child threads of the main thread. Methods of thread class are related to daemon threads. Public void setDaemon boolean status. This method is used for making a user thread to daemon thread or vice versa. For example, if I have a user thread T, then T.setDaemon true would make it a daemon thread. On the other hand, if I have a daemon thread TD, then by calling TD.setDaemon false would make it normal thread, user thread or non-daemon thread. Public boolean is daemon. This method is used for checking the status of a thread. It returns true if the thread daemon, else it returns false. It returns true if the thread is daemon, else it returns false. setDaemon method can only be called before starting the thread. This method would throw illegal thread state exception if you call this method after thread.start. Now let us have a look to the example how it is working. Daemon thread example1.java. Now this is the example which is going to demonstrate the usage of setDaemon and isDaemon method. We have public class daemon thread example1 which extends thread. Then we have run method public void run checking whether thread is daemon or not. If thread dot current thread dot isDaemon system dot out dot println println daemon thread is executing. Else system.out.println user normal thread executing. Public static void main string args creating two threads by default. They are user threads or non-daemon threads. Daemon thread example 1 T1 is equal to new daemon thread example 1. Daemon thread example 1 T2 is equal to new daemon thread example 1. Making user thread T1 to daemon. T1 to set T1 dot set daemon true. Starting both the threads T1 dot start T2 dot start. Now when we execute the program, we get the output as daemon thread executing, user normal thread executing. Now let us talk about the second example, daemon thread ex2.java. Now if setDaemon method is called, after starting the thread start method, it would throw illegal thread state exception. This clearly means that you can call setDaemon method only before starting a thread. Public class daemon thread x2 extends thread. Now public void run. System.out.println thread is running. Public static void main string args. Daemon thread ex2 t1 equals to new daemon thread ex2 t1 dot start. It will throw illegal thread state exception. T1 dot set daemon true. Now let us execute this program. When we execute this program, we get the output. Exception in thread main, thread is running. java.lang. Illegal thread state exception at java.lang.thread setDaemon unknown source. Now the difference between daemon threads and non-daemon thread, user thread. The main difference between daemon thread and non-daemon thread, user thread, is that the JVM does not wait for daemon thread before exiting, while it waits for user thread. It does not exit until and unless all the user threads finish their execution. This is all about daemon thread, and you find it more application when you work on different programs. Just like I have used it in garbage collection, sending of automatic emails, or anywhere where you do not need the system to work automatically from behind or the background. So at such situation we are going to use daemon thread. Thank you so much.